This is your thermostat removed from the vehicle, and you'll see two sides to it. This is the elongated side with a spring here, and this side goes into the engine block. The thermostat will open and close at a certain temperature. What we talk about opening and closing is about, let me show you here, this part over here. When it's closed, like right now it's closed, liquid won't flow in through there because this is all closed up. But when this opens up, what happens is the spring will compress and the inside will slide down, and there'll be an opening there that will allow the liquid to flow. The way that this works is it opens and closes at a certain temperature. To find the temperature, you've got to look at printed on the outside of your thermostat. On your thermostat, you will see 82 degrees Celsius printed right there, which gives you the temperature at which this thermostat will open. So if the thermostat reaches that temperature, it opens and lets the coolant through, and before it does, it stays closed and the coolant is not able to get through. Now 82 degrees Celsius is equal to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So you could look for 82 Celsius or for 180 Fahrenheit. All right, so we're getting close to 180 now, and we're going to insert our thermostat. And what you'll see is as the thermostat heats up, it's going to start opening up. And there you see the opening. Right over there. You can see between the black and the metal, there's the blue background of showing you the opening. As you keep it out, it is going to start closing right up there again, and you'll see that little blue sliver disappear. To get it to close quicker, you can put it in the fridge. Look at that. It's just closed right up. And this is how you test your thermostat. If it opens up when you hit 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, and if it closes up once it drops below that temperature, then you know that your thermostat is working properly, and you can continue using it.